Welcome to a couple of bunkies.
If you don't know, my wife and I run an eBay store. One of our biggest sellers is our handmade walking sticks. And about a year ago, I started making these little medallions for the lanyards with our company's logo on it. We ended up receiving a message from eBay stating that we had a repeat buyer. Now, we've had repeat buyers in the past, but not from eBay and not from a stranger.
So we designed something that will honor our repeat customers. This is a repeat customer coin made out of solid wood to put on their lanyards. And here is how we designed and made it.
I started off by making a circle in Inkscape. Then I created the text that I wanted to go around the circle. Then I selected the text and the circle, and then I went to text and text to path. This put the lettering around the outside of the circle. I want the people that end up getting this coin to understand how much we value their patronage. So we added a message of thanks. I then added an outer circle in the red hue so that the laser would understand I wanted that to be cut out. And I imported and scaled the company's logo so it would sit in the middle of the circle.
Then Tim drew a smaller circle in the middle so that can act as a hole to thread the lanyard.
At this point, all the lettering seemed to meld together, so we added some separation and resized some of the font. Now that the design is done, it's time to take it over to the laser engraver. We have an affiliate link for Monport Laser where you can get 6% off your purchase of this model right here. Use the link below and use the promo code Timothy6. I used the vector cut setting in order to cut out the coin out of some solid cherry. Since this is a thick piece of cherry, it took 4 vector cuts in order to cut all the way through. I used the roster engrave setting to engrave the details into this coin. flip over the coin in the same orientation, and I once again use the raster engrave setting to get the image on the other side of the coin. And now this project is completed.
We have had multiple repeat customers and we want to show our appreciation. So we'll be sending out these coins to our repeat customers soon.
Aditi, do you know how other people can help us without spending a dime?
They can subscribe to our channel, leave us a like and a comment. We try to release a video every Thursday evening around 7 p.m. Please go ahead and watch our videos and tell us what we can do better.
It would also be nice if you could share our videos.
Thank you to all our patrons and customers for helping out our business.
And thanks for all our viewers and subscribers. Thank you for watching.